गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुमूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुर्पदं मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्य मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितमेन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भूर्भुवस्सुतः भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम गणपते नमः गणेशाय नमः। ओम नमो नारायणाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय। ओम नमो भगवते सत्यानंदाय। ओम श्री हरिं परमानंदम् उपदेष्टारमेश्वरं व्यापकं सर्वलोकानां कारणं तं नमाम्यहम्। उपदेष्टानुभूतिर्वै प्रोच्यते मोक्षसिद्धये सद्भिरेव प्रयत्नेन वीक्षणीया मुहुर्मुहुः। स्ववर्णाश्रमधर्मेण तपसा हरितोषणा साधनं प्रभवेत् पुंसां वैराग्यादि चतुष्टयम्। ब्रह्मादिस्थावरान्तेषु वैराग्यं विशेषणो यथैव काकविष्टायं वैराग्यं तद्विनिर्मलम्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। पाप कटे दुख मिटे लेके राम नाम, पाप कटे दुख मिटे लेके राम नाम। भव समोद सुखद नाव एक राम नाम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। परम शांति सुख निदान, परम शांति सुख निदान एक राम नाम। निराधार को आधार एक राम नाम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। परम गुप्त परमेष्ट, परम गुप्त परमेष्ट मंत्र राम नाम। संत हृदय सदा बसत एक राम नाम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। महादेव सतत जपत, महादेव सतत जपत दिव्य राम नाम। काशी मरत मुक्त करत कहत राम नाम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। माता पिता बंधु सखा, माता पिता बंधु सखा सब है राम नाम। भक्त जन जीवन धन एक राम नाम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो हम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। Kindly close your eyes. Keep your body calm and quiet. Feel the state of calmness. Feel the state of tranquility. Withdraw your mind from all worldly distraction and feel the presence. Almighty Lord is within you, with you. Experience peace, joy, happiness, courage, willpower. And keep silent, pray for everyone. Especially I pray for the person who died in Afghanistan or soldier and all the people. Pray for everyone who left his body, soul is immortal. And feel the presence. Send your good wishes, your prayer and love to everyone, your family, your friend and your whole surrounding. Just few seconds experience the divine cosmic transmission energy. No fear, no doubt, no confusion. Experience joy within, peace within. ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकं बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकं बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। ओम त्र्यंबकम यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकबन्धनात् मृत्युर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। ओम शांति शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत। हरि ओम Punadai. Thank you. I am very happy to be all of you. Today is very special day. God is everything. God sent us in this planet. We come. The moment we born womb of a mother, we don't have any name, just the body. But mother, father, they give the name, and that name we using. When the Guru initiate, also he give the name. Name and the form changeable. That form become child, teenager, and middle age. Constantly the form of the body changes, name and name. But what is permanent? Your soul, your Atma, your spirit is permanent, never change. Our nature is peace. Even the moment we born, we cry. The first we start crying, Koham, and we ask, who am I? But mother touch you with your heart, and she go protection, and you feel protection from the mother, the divine cosmic mother, the protection heart. When you grown up, we are grown up people. What is the purpose of this life? We born, we have purpose to specific. Constantly we are working to be happy, to contentment, to give peace to others. We work and work, collecting so many things in the life. We have name, fame, car, children, husband, wife, everything we have. But ask yourself, still I am happy? Collecting all the thing. Material thing we collected, and constantly we are not balanced, we are in balance. Just like car with a 3 wheel, it's always you cannot drive. Car need the brake. Without the brake, you cannot drive the car. The life has 4 aspects. Life we call Jivan. Mrityu means Maran, birth and death, the 2 points of the life. Life is a river. The river is purpose, flowing, coming from the mountain and going to the ocean. When the river is over the ocean, there is no more river, there is no sweet water, there is salty water. Our life, we do karma, artha, dharma and moksha. There are 4 fundamental aspects of life according to Vedic tradition. First thing, calm. Calm is desired. Everyone has a desire, I have a desire. The desire to be happy, to contentment, to peace, to joy, happiness. If I get this one, I'll be happy. If I get this one, happy. But desire are infinite desire. That's why we practice yoga. We do spiritual practices. You're working that calm, the karma, the action. Why? Calm give artha. Artha means money, prosperity, wealth. Earth and calm related. We get the money, we work 1 month and money come to you. The whole life you work, because you collect that prosperity. Prosperity, name and the fame, that don't bring the peace. We do things worldly people do. But I'm sannyasi, I'm swami, I dedicate self. Dharma and moksha don't perform with worldly people, householder people. What is dharma, the duty? What is my duty? Why use this color? Why paint this one? Why shave the head? And I dedicate to fulfill my dharma to give the right knowledge and wisdom to people so they can lead a higher path of wisdom and knowledge. Dharma. And the last one, moksha, nirvana, anubhuti, self-realization, auto-realization. So there are 4 aspects in the life. Artha, kama, artha, dharma and moksha. So every constantly you're doing that work, calm with desire. Infinite desire. The man is not completely balanced because something is missing. The purpose of life. Ask yourself, who am I? Am I the body? Am I the mind? Am I the emotion? Am I the intellect? Am I the ego? Then who am I? The body is changeable constantly. One day you are a little baby, now become a teenager, then go older. The 3 stages of the body, 3 stages of consciousness. Now we are waking state. Couple of hours you sleep, and then we dream. So 3 stages we go everyone. Waking, sleeping and dreaming. Conscious, unconscious, subconscious. And while we wake up, we experience the pleasure and the pain, hot and the cold, hatred and jealousy. But purpose, what we want peace, we want shanti, with joy, courage, confidence, infinite love. We love everyone. And moment we don't fulfill demand, then we hate. Hate, love related to the hate. Day, night, hot, cold, there are 2 things. The coin has 2 faces, but that coin only is one time, once at a time. When you are suffering, we are not happy. Suffering being happiness, happiness being serving. But balance, life is a balance. That's why Lord Krishna teached Arjuna how to balance the mind, how to calm the mind, well-trained mind. Yoga practitioner should be study Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita, songs of joy. And that guidance help you to fulfill. Bhagavad Gita is 18 chapter. And that's spoken the battlefield, Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna, his first disciple. Maybe people know about Bhagavad Gita, they will know who is Arjuna, who is Krishna. Everyone is just Arjuna, fulfill our duty. And Krishna is sitting within you. Lord is sitting with. The Lord guide you, inspire you, motivate. So we can go to Shanti, we can feel the Shanti. We realize I am cheerful, I am blissful, I am happy. Nothing in any world can make him balanced, nothing give me unhappiness. That's the spiritual life. That's why we are here. So Artha, Kama, Dharma, Moksha. Moksha, Nirvana. Lord Buddha issued the Nirvana. Nirvana, Mukti, liberation. The liberation for what? Liberate from pleasure and the pain, all the unhappiness, sadness, nervousness. Do your duty without expectation. You plant the tree, but you can't plant the fruits. While performing your karma, you do your karma properly, the fruits will come. If you plant the mango tree, you will not get the orange. Yesterday one lady come, I have apple. And I said, this is a mango in my tree. He said, no Swami, this is apple. I'm showing the apple and a banana. That the thing happen. We see something and do something. My dear friend, do the proper karma. Every day you have 12 hours. Calculate your life. Before the people used to say lot of year. Now minimum we have age is 100 years age. Daytime, nighttime 8 hours, night hours you sleep. Then you work, we do all duty, external thing. How much time did it contemplate and meditation? Meditation is a super highway to explain the God within. God is peace, peace is God. God is bhakti, the shanti. That's why we have to reflect. Last night I was talking the 4 word. Again I remember. Cheetah, this Sanskrit word. Yoga originally come from Sanskrit. Bhagavad Gita Sanskrit and a different language. The first word called cheetah. Cheetah means the dead body. Dead body cannot talk, cannot look, cannot see, cannot walk, don't listen. Why dead? Means someone is living and there is no awareness, not connected. Electricity there, not, the bulb is there, computer there, but electricity not connected. So we are not connected to the electricity, the power of God, divine, the dead body. That is called cheetah. Cheetah. So we burn, we cremation the dead body. Another word called chinta. Chinta means preoccupation, worries. So chinta, preoccupation killed the living body. Cheetah killed the dead body. So cheetah and chinta. That's why third word come called chintan. Chintan means self-analyze. Analyze yourself. You think about material life, how to get the money, how to take a mother, father, sister, brother, whole thing, business. But self-analyze, Atma-Chintan, self-analyze. And that's the missing in the life. We don't analyze properly. The ignorance called avidya. Vidya means the knowledge. We have ignorance. We are looking something. When you take a mango tree, you can immediately don't get mango. It takes time. You are doing your karma. We do immediately want instant coffee. You do and you instant food. My dear friend, do your something, but don't expect immediately. Do your proper karma. And you balance and you take the moksha, nirvana, anubhuti. Why I became a Swami? Why I wear this clothes? Why give my family? I love my family, but they are not there. I love everyone, but every person purpose to come in this planet. And that purpose to be a peace, joy, happiness. You have too much knowledge, wisdom, but you are not using properly by yourself. You have too much food in the freezer, but you have to take out, cook and eat. Wisdom there, but you are not practicing. You know more than me. I don't read too much book now. I talk out of my heart, what I feel it. Satyam vadam dharman charam means speak the truth any condition. Don't lie. One lie, you have to bear 100 lie. So that's why speak the truth, satyam vadam. Life is a divine blessing. We are very happy. Look, dog, cat, all the animal. The bird, they don't have any house to permanent house. They don't have anything. They have the family, they have children, but they don't have bird, they don't have, they fly, take the food and sit, whatever the night come, they will sleep. How the bird live? Animal. What difference between animal and human being? The bird. So that's why human being is a very special being. And that your intellect, we can realize, we can be there. Do animals feel unhappiness? Yes, they are unhappy. The bird feel unhappiness? Yes, momentary. Human being, a precious being, we have that intellect and we have that capacity to understand God, word God. The purpose of spiritual life, be cheerful, be happy, be content in any condition. The 3 stages I was talking, conscious, unconscious, subconscious, waking, sleeping, dreaming. The worst 4th state called Turiya Avastha. Turiya means supreme state of consciousness. The yoga practitioner should be read Bhagavad Gita. Another textbook of Bhagavad Gita, Yoga Patanjali. Patanjali Yoga Sudra should be studied properly. Patanjali explained the state of mind. in the state, a higher state consciousness, how to manage the day-to-day life. We study now. Amber is studying Germany. She is a doctor. She's a scientist. That will get the money. But school, college give the diploma and degree to work. But how to be peace within, that don't teach in the university. The whole world is university. And the professor, your Sadguru, your master, he is guiding you. Something you cannot learn school, college, university. Something that's for spiritual life. Learn art of managing the mind. Each moment having peace. This body is a rented car, my dear friend. The body got rented. And each second we breathe, we pay the rent of this house. This is a house, the body is a house. Each second, stop breathing, they say, you are not paying my rent, I'm going out. The owner within you, that self, the Atman, the individual self, that God is within you. God is with you. How you know the God is within you? When the mother is pregnant, Anashakti, Vinny, she has a two beautiful daughter and now the granddaughter, the grandson and granddaughter. How beautiful she is. Remember, she can see the Jessica and Hannah when she was pregnant. 9 months. Who make that beautiful eyes, the nose, the ear, and everything 9 months? Who created that 9 months? And when the creation takes place, who is within you sitting? You are Lakshmi, Saraswati, Durga, Divine Mother. 9 months we create that beautiful creation, and the divine gate open and the baby born. Remember the baby born. Then we give name and name. She don't come with the name. She don't have that trademark. You put the name. Hannah, Jessica. Now Amber. But 9 months, God is within us. God don't live in a temple. God live in the four wall. You call church, you call temple, mass, anything. God is living within it every second. As you breathe in, God enter with you. While you are sleeping, who breathe for you? A funny thing happened last night. I get up 4 in the morning every day. And I meditate. But I don't feel the meditation, I say sleepy. Then I do mantra and I listen the tape meditation of my Guru Satyananda Paramahamsa because he guides me everywhere. He's not physically, but I feel deep connection. And I sleep. Then 5:30 I sleep, lie down. I was doing Yoga Nidra and I had a dream. That dream is a funny dream. That dream was thousands of people there, all the Swami. How my consciousness expand. And Swami Satyananda was there. And one of the very close disciple of Swami Satyananda, I prepared the food myself and she come and take my food with me. I give big slap on her. And I said, I slap them and my dream finished. I said, it's very funny. I said, then suddenly I said, I kill and I love her. But she take my food in the dream and I wake up, there's no dream. This happened, dreaming is real, that particular moment where you are dreaming. And when you wake up, the world is her dreamer. The day is dreaming, we are dreaming every day, my dear friend. The dreaming changeable, dream, waking text is dreaming. There is our spiritual master called Jagadguru Shankaracharya, Adya Guru Shankaracharya. He incarnation, Lord Shankara. He has to say, what we see, that's not real. What we don't see, that is real. Real means reality, Satya, truth. God is real. That's why we call the God Sat, Chit, Ananda. Sat, all the condition, sleeping, dreaming, or wake up. That is always true. Truth is never change. Satya. Chit. Chitta means knowledge, wisdom. Ananda, bliss. That is your nature. We have truth This body is changeable. Mind is changeable. But soul don't change. Peace come when you listen to inner voice within you. Meditation, connection. Empty your mind and listen to inner voice. Voice of joy, voice of courage, willpower. God guide with you. He spoke through you. Listen to inner voice within you. That's why we are blessed. This life has given to realize God. Then fear automatically disappeared. When there is light, there is no darkness. Sun come, darkness disappeared. But night is darkness to sleep. Light of joy, light of peace. Meditate. Swami Shivananda Ashtanga Yoga. He used to stay, be good, do good. Give, meditate, love, give, and realize. Be good, do good. If you want to respect, give for respect, everyone. Learn to forget and forgive. How much other person do mistake for you, how much person don't like you, you respect them. Then quality change. Meditation allow to love infinite cosmic love, not limited love. This is my mother, this is my father, this is my sister, this is my husband. Nothing wrong, it's good. But whole world, your family. I left the family more than 60 years ago. Whole world, you are my family. I love you out of my heart. I love because you give or no. I give without expectation. That's the love. The love we call mistaking, that is passion, that dependent. Love is not receiving, giving. If you love, that comes love, they call cosmic love, divine love, Divya Prem. Let's sing wonderful thing I like. प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम. प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम. पाप कटे दुख मिटे लेके राम नाम, भव समुद्र सुखद नाव एक राम नाम. कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम. परम शांति सुख निरान एक राम नाम, निराधार को आधार एक राम नाम. कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम. परम शांति सुख निदान, परम शांति सुख निदान एक राम नाम. कहो राम राम राम, 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 कहो राम. Mantra allow. If you take a milk and don't put sugar, if you take a food there is no salt, the sugar is the chanting, bhakti, the love. Bhakti means love. Bhakti means giving selfless vibration. So chanting, bhakti yoga. Doesn't matter which language you sing, which guru you play, which God you play, which religion you practice, bhakti is only, love is only one. So chanting, bhakti is the basic of love. Sometimes I talk and I said, what I'm to whom I'm talking? The one I'm talking with the picture? No, you're living being. I'm not talking, you're sitting different, but you are living being. I'm living being. And the God is within you. Now, I talk something, I give a chance everyone 30 seconds to say only one good word. That one can help other people. Think good, be good and do good. So I'm starting Anashakti, say wonderful word, just like a seed. Word is God, God is word. Say the one beautiful word. Anashakti. Detachment. You are really divine cosmic mother. Say one word, Vinny.
Together.
Good. Amrit. One word.
Hope.
One word.
Yes, I said hope.
Hope. Yoga Priya. One word.
Bhakti.
Liliana.
Namaste.
You know, no maste. Because she don't eat tea. That's why they call no maste. Namaste means giving love from the heart. Namaskar. Hari Om. Om Namah Shivaya. Om. These are the mantra. Namaste is a tradition, is a wonderful thing. I give, and we don't give a hand, we hug. Namaste. From the heart, giving love to heart. Josepinita. One word. Abuelita.
Love.
Qué bonito, love. Dios es amor, amor, aleluya. Dios es amor, amor, aleluya. Love is the best. But love bring the hate, hate bring the love. But love in sense of cosmic divine love. Love giving, not receiving. When you expect love, become happy. Okay. His Holiness Devananda. How was it? You are in North Carolina, you are in Africa, you are in India.
Miami now.
Okay.
My word is infinite love.
Oh my God. Good. You are a really special man. Parvati, are you there? His Holiness Ram Rahim.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Tell one word, Menina.
My word is faith.
Huh?
Faith.
Faith.
Oh, you are so sweet. You are the Uma. Uma Maheshwar. Hey, your Uma, your Parvati, your Shakti, your divine. Very Shiva.
Thank you, sir.
Very Shiva. Okay, Ram Rahim. His funny name, Ram and Rahim. Hindu and Muslim, Christian and Jews. Ram, Allah Ishwar Tere Naam, Sabko Demati Bhagwan. One word.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, Namah Shivaya. Speak every day wonderful word to you. One word. When you speak, art of speaking, any person come to you, speak wonderful word. Mouth, God has given the mouth to speak wonderful thing. Eat wonderful thing. God has given mouth to speak and sing nicely thing. If person come to tongue and what, the whole world will change. I don't want to talk any politics. I don't have fanatic religion. I don't preach any particular fanaticism. It is science of love, science of my yoga is love. Make our joy, make them laugh. Lucky, Sita. Are you there? Say one word. Diga una palabra muy linda, bonita, abuelita.
They say already what all the words I was thinking. I was thinking of love. I was thinking the infinite love. So I don't know now. Maybe Dharma.
Ah, you are so sweet. Thank you. Socorro, una palabra linda, mi niña. Madre cósmica. ¿Está ahí o está en Colombia? Barranquilla.
A mí una palabra linda.
Qué bonita.
Amor.
शिवोऽहं 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 वही आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हूँ अमरात्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हूँ अमर अखिल विश्व का जो परमात्मा है सभी प्राणियों का वही आत्मा है वही आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हो अखिल विश्व का होल वर्ल्ड गॉड इज लिविंग होल वर्ल्ड ईच सभी प्राणियों का ईच एंड एवरी बीइंग द गॉड रिसाइडेड Amar Atma hai Marantasil Kaya. The soul is immortal. The body is mortal. Body die, but soul never die. सभी प्राणियों के जो भीतर, each and every, you, me, her, here, the same prana, the same life. Your body is different, name is different, you born different country, different place, but electricity is the same. The soul is the same. Electricity is the same and use fan, computer, freezer, but electricity is the same. So all you are different, name, fame, but your electricity, Atma is the same. You and me, higher level is same. जिसे शस्त्र काटे न अग्नि जलावे, बुझावे न पानी न मृत्यु बुलाए. The soul cannot cut with the weapon, cannot burn with the fire. You cannot, the date cannot finish. So soul is immortal, cannot walk, cannot cut. Soul is. है तारो सितारों में आलोक जिसका, है चंदा और सूरज में आवास है. Each and every star, the planet, the sun and the moon, the tree, river, everywhere the soul exists. You know funny thing? You know the coconut water? How the coconut water? Sweet. And when the coconut is born, in the ocean, bank of the ocean, the salty water, the ocean, and close to the ocean grow the big coconut tree, and the ocean, who put that sweetness out of salt and sweet? God exists. There is no doubt about the cow, that ignorance, avidya, asmita, limitation. God exists. Look the God, feel the God. Each person living the God. Think good thing. Each and every star. First we call Surya Devata, Surya Narayan, the first God we give. We pray. I know everyone does Surya Namaskar, salute the sun. Surya, the first God. Without sun, we cannot live a life. The fire comes from the sun. Agni Devata, fire of God. Varuna Devata, God of rain, God of fire. Prithvi Devata, God of earth, is the mother, she is mother. We walk in the same earth. Earth mother give whatever we need, the food. She protect animal, pieces, living in the air, living in the water, living in the land. Fish cannot live without the water. The fish need the water. When there is a fish, means there is a water. When there is a fish, there is a human being, there is love. Without love, there is no man, human being. But that love we call cosmic divine love, without expectation. To learn to love, respect the divine earth mother, purify the climate, clean your mind. You know, every day you take a bath, you clean your teeth, clean your ear, put a nice cloth, everything externally clean. When you clean your mind, your dirty mind, how you clean? My dear friend, the dirt of mind, fear, anger, worry, preoccupation, frustration, depression, all the dirt of the mind. Learn to clean the mind, the pure mind. When you say children, you say how become happy. Yesterday, I was talking with little girl. She's only 1 month. She's a daughter of sister of Jamuna Devi. She dance and walk, she cannot talk. But she look little 1 second and that make you happy. I know when she born. Children are pure, their mind is pure. They don't know read or write, but they're pure. We know read or write. Clean the dirt of the mind, the pure mind, lovely mind, calm mind can use anywhere. So many news we listen. You know, this morning I wake up and I don't want to listen any news. I was listening Kirtan. The funny thing, listening Kirtan, I was crying just like a baby, out of love. Sometimes we cry out sadness. But sometimes learn to the God and the Guru with joy, with Ram, Krishna. I have one person sitting next to me, and she like to say something. She was looking to me. You know her? She's coming. She's walking and coming.
Hari Om. Hari Om. Life is joy. Life is
Hari
happiness.
Om.
Hari Om, Anandi. Hari Om. Life is joy, life is happiness, life is peace. Live your life fully, contently, joyfully, and let go. Surrender.
Thank you.
Hari
Time out. She the one who make connection with me. She come every Saturday and put all I don't know about the computer, anything. But she make it. She do karma yoga every Saturday. And cook the food, nice cook. This morning she come early in the morning and cook nice food for me. Oh, that food, I hope you will like the food you make. Nice food, she's good cook. I cook the food of joy, food of love, food of happiness. The spiritual, physical body food, I give food for the mind, food for the soul. The spiritual master you need in life, spiritual master. Get food for the soul and the mind. The knowledge is available for you. The connection is up to ready, is up to switch on. Connect, switch on your inner self. Peace will come within you. You know, I buy this house 97. And then one person says, Swamiji, why should not make a well in your property? I said, how you can make a well? In India, well means the big well. He said, no, you will get the water. We make the well. So he make the well. Within 25 feet, we get the water. And we put a pump there. And now we have well water. We don't have to pay for the dead county. So, water is within you. Only land, we put connection with the water and infinite water come. More with water take. The joy, more love you give, more love to come. Find out source of the water of love, water of joy, water of happiness. Be with you. Contemplate. I always suggest every hour take 5 minutes and meditate for 5 minutes every hour. That reflect your mind, and that is called Atma Chintan. Atma Chintan. When I was leaving my Guru Satyananda Paramahansa, I went the first day to with him. I went and touched his feet, asked his blessing. And he asked me, what do you want? Swamiji, I don't want. I just want to be with you. He said, okay, stay. He never asked my name. He never asked where I live. What I want, I'm living. And he said, do karma yoga. Used to call me Purushartha Karma Yogi. Without expression, work and work and work. Work of physical, mental, emotional and spiritual. Find out your reality. I serve him unconditionally. And one day, he said me, I'm going to throw out of ashram. I said, yeah, I'm happy. You throw me, I'm happy. But I'm going to go Himalaya to meditate. Himalaya, Ladakh, Tibet, meditate. I said, no, you cannot go there. I have planned I'm sending Himalaya of South America. He said, make my passport and say Bolivia, La Paz. La Paz is the highest point in the world, just like Himalaya. Ilmani mountain there, Lake Titicaca. I said, he's a good guy. I was going to Himalaya, but he sent me. But problem, there's no language. I don't know any word of language, Spanish. He sent me and he come to me. I was sad. away from ashram, away from the Guru. And he sent me the letter, Brahmodananda, you have a mission, don't come back. Love, more we far, more you near, and more you near, more you far. Guru and the God is not far close to you. If you're looking, you're not thinking. You're not looking, you're thinking. The God think, Guru think, and will get it. Unhappiness comes because we expect immediately thing. The relation between Guru and teacher is hidden relation, pure relation. I am telling with my experiences. As a whole life, I have only one Guru, one Sadguru, Satyana Paramahamsa. His Guru Swami Shivananda. And he never give order. He will give suggestion. He never give order, do this and do this. I think what you think. He said, if you do something mistake, that is learning you. Without mistake, you cannot learn. But do the right thing, think the right thing, and I am very happy. He is not physically available, but his heart, his knowledge, wisdom available. Have faith on your Guru, faith in yourself, love your mother and father, love everyone, practice your discipline, sadhana, yoga sadhana. Sadhana means spiritual practices. Make disciplined life and be happy, joyful and contentment. Every day is a new day. Past is history. Future is mystery. Present is you don't know. What happened? It happened already. It become history. What will happen? You don't know tomorrow. But live right now, every moment. Use your every energy, your thought, your emotion in the right way. And be happy. The spiritual life is a wonderful life. God, life to come in the human being is a wonderful life. My father used to say, be a human being. Respect other people. Doesn't matter if you become doctor, lawyer, engineer, or be a human being. Respect your people. Give love. He was a very special. He's my first teacher. My father was a wonder. He has a foundation helping other people. He's a teacher. Age of 12, he left me, physical body. Then I got 13 years of Swami Satyananda, my spiritual father. So, teaching, knowledge, wisdom, use properly and try to be harmonious, peaceful person. This is spiritual life. What happened around the world will happen, always happen. Every day people die. Don't worry about the corona or corona. Called karuna, not corona. Karuna means compassion. How many people die? Every second people die, every second born. This is nature, birth and death. Understand the mystery of the death. There is no death. The physical body composed of 5 elements, you know that. We have earth element, because you take food, that's why your body is solid. We cannot fly. Bird can fly. They produce air element. We have earth element, we cannot fly. We have water element, we have fire, we have air and ether, 5 elements. So this physical body is going original, but soul is mortal. Soul never born or die. So, not to the death. Death, mrityu. That's called Lord Shiva called Mrityunjay. People are afraid of the death. What happened in the world? Whole people never die. What will happen to Divine Mother Earth? Death is not natural. But people living, they die. Fear of death. Fear of unknown. Fear of strange. Not to worry about the death. If God will come, the God of death called Yamraj. Yamraj, he come and take his soul. Body remain this planet. The physical body belong to this body. But soul is not present. So, enjoy, be happy, contentment, cultivate a wonderful garden. Your mind is a beautiful garden. And this garden contains a wonderful thing of joy, love, compassion, happiness, courage, willpower, charity of love, charity of joy, charity of good thought, charity of knowledge and wisdom. We do charity of knowledge. The spiritual teacher, they go charity of knowledge and wisdom and good thought. Charity not only money. How long the money remain? Money is a means only. No money, no honey. I joke always. But charity of knowledge, charity of word, good thought, good wishes, blessing. You know, one thing I'm taking funny, maybe you will not hear. In India, we don't have tradition thank you. We never want you the thank you. In India, why? They say you do your karma. You do that. Why you go thank you? Do something, help me. That is your doing good karma. Why you thank you? Now here we have good tradition in the West. We do thank anything. Do thank you. I have a wonderful friend in India, and he says he works with the government. He's a direct secretary of president. Always doesn't matter who president come. Direct president of Prime Minister of India, and he's a good student of mine. Live in Delhi, and he says, Swamiji, say anything, but don't want the use thank you. It's difficult for me because living here, always you give thank anything someone give, thank you. Thank you means dhanyavad, shukriya. It's good tradition. But every country, every continent, everything has a different tradition. You know, my father was Jaini. Jaini means what do you call? Tapa boka, close. Now everyone has to close that. Jaini religion, the Jamuna wants to be Jaini monk. Then I bring her here. She wants to go in India to be Jaini monk. Jaini, they close the mouth. Now everyone has to close mouth because of this karuna. But Jaini people, Jaini saint, they don't shave their head. They pull with the hand. It's very stark. When they walk, they clean the floor. The ants and animal cannot walk. Tradition, Jaini religion. Jain is a religion of ahimsa. Mahatma Gandhi religion of ahimsa. Ahimsa paramo dharma. Not to hurt with no one, word, thought and deed. Not to talk any word. Mahatma Gandhi, ahimsa, not to hurt anyone. He got a freedom of India. We call father of the nation India, Mahatma Gandhi. Ahimsa, his was the instrument. If someone slap you right side, he will say, this is betting left side. That teaching of Mahatma Gandhi. My guru was a follower of Mahatma Gandhi, Satyananda. He used to like him. He was living his ashram. To use the truth, use the ahimsa, not to harm no one, make a wonderful life, just a beautiful garden, and be happy and enjoy the life. Today you are sitting here, I am speaking out of love, not because singing, listening and making discourse. No. I talk what is in my mind, come, talk from my heart. You are so wonderful, I can sing. But my boss called me, 12 o'clock, kitchen will be closed if you don't go to the lunch. So my boss will close the door and I will have a lunch. So 12 o'clock I have to go my kitchen. Otherwise, no food. Then I have to go your home to bake the food. Sannyasi bake the food. I used to bake in India. Beggar, they are a beggar. They call prasadam. The one time my guru sent me 1 year to bake the food in big village to village. Don't tell your name. Don't sleep under any shade. Sleep bank of the river Ganga. And when you take the food, go on her house and Bhiksham Deja Saraswati. Oh Divine Mother, give me hand with the hand. And whatever you got the food, first you the cow and the bird, and the rest you eat. And don't keep that food, don't bring the home the food. Don't tell your name, who you are and what you do. That discipline, living the Guru. So much discipline. To be a Swami, you have to be 12 years with the Guru, Master of Mind. Then he send you to the mission. I am very happy here. I don't know what I was talking, but I talk. I don't know what I'm talking, but someone speaking through me, I talk. Says I means the ego. We are. Be instrument of the hand of the God and the Guru. Less ego. Ego your enemy. When ego is absent, then peace will come within you, joy will come. The ego and peace, they don't go. They cannot live together. Not live with the ego, live with the peace. So anyhow, my time is going back. I pray to the Lord. Shankaracharya is very wonderful. This I used to stay every time. This used to stay with Swami Satyananda every day. Shri Harim Paramanandam Upadeshtarameshwaram Vyapakam Sarvalokanam Karanam Tam Namamayam Aparokshanubhutirvai Projyate Moksha Shridaye Sadbhireva Prayatnena Vikshaniyami Dharmo Om Shanti. This is the teaching of Shankaracharya. This small book, I have more than 50 years with me, giving my Guruji. I carry with me. And this teaching, very powerful, Shankaracharya, life of Shankaracharya. I will talk about him next week, if God will permit. Now, I pray my good wishes, my love and blessing, all of you. I know that you have love. Hello, Hari Om, Hari Om. Om Asato Ma Sadagamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Sarvesham Swastirbhotu Sarvesham Shantirbhotu Purnam Bhotu Mangalam Bhotu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Om Trayambakam Ijamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvar Kubandana Mrityormukshiyamamrita Om Tvameva Mata Sa Pita Tvameva Bandhu Cha Sakha Tvameva Vidya Drunam Tvameva Sarvamam Deva Naham Karta Hari Karta Eka Naham Karta Gurudeva Karta Eka Om Satyam Saranam Gacchami Yogam Saranam Gacchami Sangam Saranam Gacchami Buddham Saranam Gacchami Om Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tasat. Thank you so much. Lot of love and blessing.